Right guys, so here's my chili garlic fried rice and my chicken and aloo curry. Just gonna plate it up like this and go enjoy this now, guys. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to this week's video. This is Babble from the Bengali Cook, and today guys I thought I'll do something a bit different. I've got loads of curry recipes, BRI style as well as authentic Bangladeshi styles on our channel. So I thought what we're going to go for today is do a recipe for a nice rice dish. I've got a couple of rice dishes on the channel, but this is going to be a new one for you. Hey guys, don't forget though, if you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And as always guys, love going to everyone for supporting our channel. Having said that guys, let me introduce you to this week's recipe. Garlic chili rice, fried rice. A garlic chili fried rice for you. So what we have got some onions. I've got half an onion chopped with about 4 or 5 chopped green chilies. I'm going to use, probably can't see it, there it is, about 5 cloves, garlic cloves chopped. Bowl of rice. This is plain boiled rice, and we're going to use some oil, but I would recommend, if you want to, you can use ghee, and the flavours is just absolutely more. I'm just trying to be a bit healthy, so I'm going to use oil. So having said that guys, let's get the pan on. Oil, let's go with 1 chef spoon. Oil, leave that here. If you have noticed the base gravy right here guys, the base gravy is here. I'll be cooking up some more recipes for you after I've done the rice. How has your week been guys? Let us know. So this is Indian restaurant style garlic chili fried rice. Let's get our... I do like garlic, so I'm going to add, I've added about 5 or 6 cloves in there, garlic cloves. So yeah, feel free to add. Let's get some salt as well. We're going to need some salt. I'm going to put it on high heat and just to wait for the garlic to go golden brown and for the aroma to come out. But the colour has started to change, so I'm going to add in my half a chopped onion and about 4 or 5 green chilies chopped. I'm using red onion. If you want to use white onion, you can do guys. Pinch of salt. what I'm looking to do here is just for the onions just to soften a little bit. Let me just zoom in for you a bit there. Just a tiny bit of haldi powder. Right, the onions are done. So what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to add in our rice. So the rice. Let it do all the snap, crackle and popping, which is absolutely amazing. So that's what you want to do, guys. If you do want to use some chili powder to give it a bit more heat, guys, you can do. Just as when I put the haldi powder, turmeric powder in, you can put some chili powder in there to make it more spicy for you. If not, this is generally chili garlic fried rice as done in the restaurants, and there you have it, guys. Don't forget, guys, if you haven't, please do hit that like, subscribe button and comment below, guys. It really helps our channel grow, so really appreciate your support on that one. I've used hot rice, fresh rice, so it's hot, so it doesn't need a lot of time cooking. I'm just going to put some coriander in there. And there you have it, chili garlic fried rice there, guys. Heat up and enjoy. Thanks ever so much for watching, guys. This is a recipe. It's really short, really simple recipe, guys. This is exactly what you would have if you order that at the restaurants. But hey, guys, if you do try the recipe, enjoy it. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, comment below, let us know what you think of this recipe. Having said that, guys, I will catch you on our next video. See you soon.